All right, we're inside the main cargo floor area of the electric bus. We're starting to build battery racks to hold the batteries that will be encased in the floor. Right now we just have a temporary belly pan in there. That's going to shield any moisture and road debris from getting into the belly. So what we have to do is fit 8 batteries per side here. They're lithium-ion batteries, they weigh a fair amount. So we're going to put a battery on each side of this and start building racks. This was our template that we used originally, and as you can see, one battery will fit in here, and then this is the new lithium-ion battery, and the second one will fit here. The rest will be stored elsewhere. All right, you may have noticed the van is now a few inches lower than it was previously. What we did is, originally we had a set of flipped spindles, and it's a stock spindle. As you can see here, this is the stock spindle that has been flipped. It allows the vehicle to drop 3 inches. It wasn't enough drop for what we wanted, so we replaced it with a set of Wagons West 5-inch drop spindles, as you can see here. This will allow the van to still have a stock ride, but be extremely low.